Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today we are going in Walgreens to do Sunday haul for $6.28. This goes all the way to $7.04, I believe. Walgreens has fantastic deals this week. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get the Tide, bat 3 ties, and get a $5 registry reward. I'm going to get the Old Spice with the $4 off coupon and get $4 back. I'm going to do this on a separate account though. Then guys, it is a Gillette. Maybe it's a glitch. Let's see if it's working. It did work for me in Dallas. I just got off the plane from Dallas at 10:30, so it's about 5:23 now. If you do this deal, buy 2 Gillettes, clip that $3 off too in your Walgreens app. It should give you a $4 registry reward and a $3 registry reward. Now I also have 2 boosters that I am going to use. When you do use boosters, you let them put everything through. You take your highest booster, put your number in, give her that booster, then let the digital one come off. Okay, but I have a couple of boosters. I'm going to see if I can use them all. If not, I'll scrap it and wait until Thursday so I can do my 3 scenario Thursday. But come on with me, guys. Let's see if this glitch is working, and let's get us some deodorant and lots of register rewards and points. Okay, walking up to the to Walgreens. Y'all know I be having all my stores mixed up, and I am really jet lagged, and I just got off the plane. So, but I want to get my Walgreens deal in. So let's get in here and let's see what's popping. Let's see if we could get this glitch together. Let's hope it go well too, guys. I really need it to go well. I want points and I want register rewards. I'm not doing I don't think I'm gonna do the beauty event, but we'll see. Okay, I always pick up you one of those. Okay, so ain't no music playing, but I'm sure it'll start as soon as I get to talking, because they seem to turn the music on as soon as I start talking up in here. Like it's playing, but it's down low. But as soon as I get to talking, they turn it up high. We're gonna grab these 2 Gillettes right here for $6.40. Now we're gonna get 2. Of course, they are 2 for $10. Okay. Oh, guys, another thing you will see some of this right here, because I will be getting that for someone in my family. One of my kids, they cannot use those other gels, deodorants, so that's the one I'll be getting. Okay, and we're just gonna go down this aisle and we're gonna get the 3 ties. The tie, I have 2 digital ties and 1 paper tie, and I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna get 2 of these right here and 1 of those. Look what they got, guys. They have I want to take you down this aisle. They have a $1 aisle now. It's really neat. Let me find it. Where's that $1 aisle at? Which aisle was that? It was all dollar stuff, and I thought that was like so neat and creative to put a whole $1 aisle in here. So I'm definitely going to be going to do these poise deals, but I don't know how soon I'm going to do it. This is the one I'll be grabbing right here. I'm going to do that deal. And probably on my 3 scenario Thursday, I will be doing it. And I will be doing some Crest deals also. So we could get that together. This some of that orange tags, Arby's, whatever that is. Oh, there's the airplug, $2.24. I got them for free. Real cheap. They was 49 cents at that. Oh, look. Mitchum is $2.49. Mitchum Curve. Be nice if we had a coupon for that. That would have been really nice. But we don't. So we'll take it as a loss. Chum it up that we don't need it. Okay. I want to show you all they $1 aisle. It's like fantastic. They got all detergents and everything. Let me see. I don't see it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, and know if it's advertised or still an orange tag, but Advil is 99 cents. Okay, these are 49 cents. Whatever those are, I don't want those. But the Advil was 99 cents, and then I'm gonna grab 2 of those because my husband used them and my mother used them. Guys, look at these cereals. Some of these cereals are just extremely expensive. Are they crazy? That's a lot. No, I don't want that. Okay. Like they had, let's see. I want to see what kind of cookies and stuff they had, and because I was picking up some for my kids. But we're going to go ahead on and pick up these things that we got, and then we're going to see how good we fared in them, okay? So this is actually, I thought that was a good deal until I saw it was tissue and not paper towel. I don't want that. We got some orange tags over here, but they the same tags. I don't want to bug you out with those. Let's go down this aisle and see what they got, okay? We want to kind of see if they got any orange tags. I didn't get here early. Like I said, I just got off the plane, so I missed a lot of the orange tag stuff today. Oh, here it is. These are 4. I'm definitely be getting these. Can only buy 1 of each participating product. Look at that. Down in stuff. Oh, wow. So they don't let you stack it. Like, if you stacked it, it would be a better deal. Let's see what these orange tags are, even though I think we saw them already. Okay, Burt's Beeswax. $1.79. $6.49. Yeah, we saw these, but they still good deals. Burt's Beeswax is like good stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, so the first time it didn't work, the second time it did, and I'm gonna tell you about the second time, which because you only see 2 Gillettes there. Now, let me tell you what happened. I put the Gillettes with my Tide deal. Do not add them together. They do not work if you add them together. Now, but I told the lady, I said, hey, I didn't get my no register rewards printed out. I didn't get the $5 for this, and I didn't get my 4 for this. I had to play it off because I don't know if the $3 one was supposed to be there or not. So the lady just said she'll give me 10,000 points. Well, this is the thing. I used 2 boosters. When I explained to you in the beginning of the video, I had a paper booster for $5 off of 25, and then I had a digital booster for $5 off of 25. So what I did was I made sure I got all of that stuff so it could add up together. And I did get these 2 Advils. They was 99 cents a piece. I had a $1 coupon on my Walgreens app, so they were $1 for 2. That was a good deal. So clip that coupon. If you find some orange tag Advils for 99 cents, grab them. Or I think $1.19 in another store I was at, but I didn't think to grab them then until the cashier. I have a really good manager that kind of like works with me, and they're a lot, so she gave it to me. Okay, now you know the Old Spice, I used 5,000 points. I got a $4 back register reward. Then okay, so I'm gonna get that out the way. Now what happened, this did not give me anything back. It didn't give me any register rewards. So I actually paid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. I paid $4 for 2 for this stuff, and I paid 2 for these 2. But she gave me 10,000 points back. She gave me 5 for the Tide, and then she gave me 4 plus an additional 1,000 points for the Gillette not print, because she said that it haven't printed for anyone today. Well, my booster came off too. So I got 20,000 extra points. Here we go. So on this one, this right here, this is where she gave me the 10,000 points set. See that? 10,000 points. And then the paper booster, she gave me another 10,000 points. So I got 20,000 points. Guys, then this is what she did. She said, what was supposed to print? She said, let me see those 2 Gillettes. Don't add nothing else with it. She went to a back cashier register, did it again. I got $4 and the 3 printed. Do it by itself. Do it back. And I told her, I said, hey, you just gave me 5,000 points for those. She said, don't worry about it. Take it. That's what's supposed to be printed. She said, I don't know. I take it it's a glitch because I see people coming in here printing them, but grabbing those. She said, but I'm going to go ahead on and grab mine too while I'm at it. So I got 20,000 points today. And then I got 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 register rewards. I got another booster. And then I have a 20% off my entire purchase. Did I stay on budget? Yes. Did I do well? Of course I did well. Is this fantastic? Yes, darling, it is fantastic. And $4 out of pocket for 9 items. Guys, go do this deal. I hope I did it smooth and easy. I used 2 digitals for those tides. One of these, and then I used the paper for the pod. Then I told you I got $1 off these that was on my app. I used, this was separate deal, $4, 2 for $4. And then this, $3 off of 2. Then it's going to print you out 7 in rewards. Go grab it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope I was thorough enough. And I have lots of points and registered rewards to work with for Thursday, 3 Scenario Thursday. Bye.